Hello everyone, my name is Ibra Alexis Aludes Loreto, and for now, I'll be discussing one item per topic in math, and this will be the second quarterly assessment. So what we're going to do here is we're going to have a one item per topic. Instructions here are we need to take a video and we're going to solve the problem. So my topic that I chose in test 1. So let's first read the guide questions. So general instruction, number 1, you will need to supply the appropriate numerical values and whole NOS or decimal NOS in each word problem before answering. Number 2, word problems under test 1 and 2, it should be answered using the given, find, and solution format. Sorry guys. So number 3, for final answers, decimal NOS that will exceed 2 decimals should be rounded off to 2 decimal places. And solutions may vary as well as the decimal numbers involved. You can round off in between solutions, or you can just round off the end of the solution just to make sure that the values you use in your solution and your final answer are correlated. So test 1, basic concepts of interest. So you will identify if it is under simple interest or compound interest for answering. So number 1, I choose the number 1. So Ivan borrowed blank from Jonathan and another blank from Raphael. Ivan paid them after months. So Jonathan is charging interest while Raphael is charging blank interest. You will need to compute the difference between the payments made for Jonathan and Raphael. So let's go and solve this. Hello everyone, so for test number 1, we have 100 million thousand pesos for Jonathan with 6 months. The profit of the money will be 5%. 58 million thousand pesos for Raphael with 6 months, 7%. Then 100 million thousand pesos, we need to times it by 5%, divided by 5 months, so equals 5 million thousand pesos months. So for 6 months, times 5 million thousand pesos month. You need to cancel it. So we're going to times 6 by 5 million thousand pesos for this one, 6 and 5. So the answer will be 3. 6 months interest. That one. So guys, we have 58 going to times it by 7%, divided by month. So it will become like this: 460.00, and then 6 months times 406.00, going to divide it by month. So cancel again the months. So it will be 24,360. So next is the 100. We're going to add it by 2 million thousand pesos. So the answer will be 130 something like that. This will be 0, then the dot. So going to minus it. So 58, just got 58. That means 1,000 pesos plus 24. That's 60. We're going to minus 130 to 82. 360. So the answer will be 4 or 7640. And that is the difference. 47,640. This is our difference. The difference 47,640. Oh, next is we're now in test 2 ordinary annuities. So I chose number 1. Determine the amount of an ordinary annuity of blank each quarter payable for blank years and months if money is worth blank percent compounded blank. And then what we're gonna do here is we're gonna solve this problem by like this. So we're going to transfer this from my whiteboard and marker. So let's go. We are in the last topic, which is the test tree logic. So using the 3 variables, we need to supply the arguments to be used first, and then we need to complete the truth table. So we have the PQR, the P, which is T, 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 4T, then F, 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 4F. In the first variable of P, and then the Q, T, T, F, F, T, T, F, F, and then the third variable will be T, F, T, F, F, T, F, T, F. What we're gonna do here is we're going to solve this problem. First is we just need to supply the arguments to be used first. And the second, we need to complete the truth table. So let's go. So PVQ, T, T, F will be T, F, F, F will be T, and then T, F, T will be T, T, F, T will be T, F, T, T will be T, F, T, T will be T, F, F, F will be F, F, T, F will be F. So P and R, T, 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 F, T will be T, T, F, F, T will be F, T, F, T, T will be T, T, F, T will be T, and will be F, F, T, T, T will be T, F, T, T, T will be T, F, 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 F will be T, F, T, F, F will be T. So our last, the last column that I'm interested in the other 2 columns. So we all use a way of making a thread of making mistakes. Now we will at the column P left handed side, just write the truths and falsity in the columns of P left, and then side of Q. First is to find P or Q. In the first case, both P, Q are truth, and then or truth is true again,
Second case is true or same case. True third case. So TF T to TF F. So that is our final answer. That is the final answer. So yes, that's it. So there you see, it really looks like a truth table, and from this I can read of any combination of truths positive for the sentence of P, Q, and R, and it says exactly the entire sentence says. Okay, alright, thanks for watching this video. I hope you all learned something from this video. Thank you so much.